All right, it is April 13th. We're back up, same spot we were yesterday. We're gonna go pick up that deer shed that I glassed and try and go off the north face, see what we can see. Hopefully it clears up, stops snowing. It stuck up here last night, so horns will be a little buried, but we're gonna see what we see. Maybe it'll start melting. This feels like it might be a fool's errand. Nasty. Getting up here kind of close to where we had glassed up that white muley shed, so at least we know we won't be skunked for the day. Pick that thing up first thing, get rolling. Should be right up at the base of that pine tree. All right, pull this thing out. Found it yesterday, we ended up going the opposite direction. Glassed it up. Nice. Little baby eye guard. It's honestly not quite as big as I thought it was gonna be. But sweet little 4-point and chalked up, but pretty awesome. You can kind of see I bet he was rubbing on here. Like, I don't know, 3-year-old shed maybe. Maybe he was rubbing in here because it was sure tucked up underneath there. So sweet, starting the day off right.
We're gonna find 100% more sheds than if we sat at home. I was this close to this thing before I saw it in the snow, but got a little brown deer shed.
Awesome. Nice job.
Sweet. Well, I was just feeling like this should be a good deer spot, and didn't seem like anyone had walked through here yet. Sure enough, look down, there's a tine sticking up out of the snow, so.
Pretty nice forky.
Yeah, nice for a little forky horn. Super brown. That's really cool. Awesome, man. Not skunked. Cool.
Nice. Oh, cool. That's a pretty nice one.
Cool. Couple deer sheds. Stacking them up now. Alright, second little brown deer shed of the day for me. Nice little 4-point. Oh, look. That's cool.
Oh, sweet.
Got a little extra. Awesome. Nice little extra.
That's sweet.
Polished. Sweet, man.
All right, we made it up here to where we were trying to get to. It looks super good. The snow's melted off pretty good on this north face, and there's rub trees everywhere in here. So we're gonna slow down and take our time and see what we can find. Oh my gosh. I was just walking through here on a trail, but I was thinking, man, there's some sign, but not as much as back where we were seeing all those boot tracks. I was like, gosh darn it. I was walking down this trail. I got to right here and boom. Look at that. That's so, what a sight for sore legs. My first brown anything of the year.
So cool. Good spot. That's awesome. I can't believe how well that thing's hiding. It's like, be really easy to walk past it, so.
Almost stepped on it.
Friggin' high five. Yes.
First brown of the year. I gotta soak it in. Gotta really make the most of this pickup. First brown of 2023. And it was an exciting one to find. Ooh, I thought the third was broken off.
I did too.
It was just tucked under some brush. Look at that thing. That thing was really hiding today.
So snowy.
Oh man, I can smell it. That's so cool. Smells like Christmas. Man, that was exciting. That was like one of the coolest like stumble upon finds I've ever had. It was like literally about 1 yard away, just tucked in these branches, and all of a sudden it was right under me. That was pretty sweet. I guess that's what it takes for me to find browns. It has to be within 10 feet. Check this out. Pretty awesome. On the board 2023.
Lunchtime. We couldn't match him up, but maybe he's down the hill. We're gonna head down the hill. But Jason put a heck of a spot on that thing. If he would have walked 10 feet any direction, he probably wouldn't have seen it. So
What's your celebratory snack?
I got peanut butter and honey. Yum, look at that honey.
Oh yeah.
Get that for his slow-mo.
Hopefully this nasty weather is kind of blowing out, because we're in some country where we could glass really well if this fresh snow will melt off. So we'll see what we can see down here if it melts off. Well, we just glassed up what looks like a 6-point brown elk shed. Downhill about 600 feet vertical. And so we're loading up. We're gonna go snag that thing. And the most exciting part is it's kind of right on a little roll where a lot of it's out of sight behind it. So we're hoping maybe the match is down there. So loading up, heading back down the hill.
How excited are you?
11.
We're just making our way down this ridge here. We cross over and then go down to that shed that Jason glassed up. But man, there's so much sign in here. There's just tracks and rubs literally everywhere. So pretty cool. Feels like you could walk into a shed anytime.
I see it. Tine sticking up down there. It looks like it's a nice 6-point. That's about as pretty as it gets there, just laying tines up like that. That's so cool. Time to pick it up. It's a nice 5-point. Nice little 5-point, I should say. Boom.
Awesome.
Finally, the bulls are dropping. This is a little guy, and a little bit of blood on there. Still has a good wax ring, but yeah. Little guys are dropping. It's a great time to be in the mountains. This is awesome. So cool. I did not think we'd find 2 brown elk sheds today. Wind blowing. We left the car and we were kind of like, why are we doing this? This is why. Shed crazy.
So Jason found his little 5-point right here. And we haven't looked this way at all, and there's a bunch of timber, so we're just gonna go drop our pack, go zigzag through the timber, meet back here, and hopefully find some more brown elk sheds.
Yep.
Sun doesn't get much fresher than that. Got 2 elk beds. We probably bumped them when we came down through this timber.
What in the world? Couldn't match them up. That was fun looking. There was a lot of sign. That was pretty high anticipation, so I'm glad we came down here and got them. That was fun. Now we gotta crawl out of here. I was just thinking you'd almost have to step on one to find it in here, and sure enough, about 6 feet away again. That's how I roll. There's an old chalker deer shed tucked right in there. Hard to see.
Nice.
This is awesome. Ooh. Got some good color on the back.
Yeah.
And the color is green.
Good job.
That's a funny little shed. Oh, here's a question though. Does it have an eye guard?
Yes.
Let's see. Boom. Just found an ancient chalker 5-point elk shed. Just tucked right in the middle of this sage. I don't know if it was eaten out of it or walking through and it just dropped and sank over the years, but it's been here a while, but we're taking her. We're not picky, and we're close to the car. Let's pull this thing out of here, see what we got. It's been tucked in here for a while. It's just a little guy. It's not as old as I thought it was. I bet it's only 3 years old. can see why no one found it. What a great day today's been.
I just found 2 brown elk sheds. I don't know if they're a match. The road is in between them. Like, one is 10 feet off the road and one is like 25 feet off the road. I don't know how no one's seen them. I don't know how we didn't see them. Well, we didn't walk up the road, but oh my gosh. That is so exciting. Jason just found that chocker in the sagebrush. I would have walked past both these. I didn't drop down the hill quite enough. And then after we got done with his, I was like, oh, I'll drop down a little lower. I see this thing, and then as Jason's getting the camera out, I look up and I can just barely make out what I thought was a tine, glassed it. Sure enough, we have 2 brown elk. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
Right here. And there it is. Right there. And then there's another one right in there.
Dang, that's a pretty
decent
nice
bull.
shed.
Dude, that's heavy. That's a heavy horn. Like, weight-wise. Oh, that's so cool. Just a little baby 6. That's awesome.
So cool.
Dang, that's awesome. Man. Let's go get the other one. All right. The other one. Check that out. There's the side we haven't picked up yet. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. All right, here's his other side. Sweet. He's got a better 4th on this side.
That is cool.
Not quite. Sweet. Not a bad bull though.
No. Wonder if it's one that we saw that was in here.
Probably.
Yeah.
It was probably right before they dropped that we saw him.
That's pretty nice.
Sweet. Man, that's exciting. Check it out. Ah, so cool.
That's awesome.
Let's go.
All right, that's the end of our best day shed hunting so far. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you like big brown elk sheds. And because there's hopefully, Lord willing, going to be more to come. Fist pump it out, babe. Shed day. Back to the car. What an awesome day. We got everything kind of lined out here, and that was just so much fun. When we left, it was not looking good, but it turned out amazing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We don't post on a regular schedule quite yet. We just don't have the library built up, but we're working on it. We'll be back out probably day after tomorrow. So back in action. More to come.